Hi everyone, my name is Nikos with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're here to showcase the Sunset single arch door. Alright, we are on the Sunset single arch door. This door is currently at a 42 by 96. That means 42 inches from outside of jamb to the other outside of this jamb, and then from the bottom of the threshold to the top of the jamb is 96 inches. This is one of our newer designs that Aaron made. We decided to make this one instead of with our normal dual borehole system. We decided to put our solid metal pull handle here and just add a deadbolt. This is still able to catch and keep itself closed with our roller catches, which I'll show you when we flip the door around and we show you the other side. You can put this with different types of pull handles. This is currently our river pull handle, but again, if you look on our entry handles on our website shop tab, you can get a feel of some different pull handles you can add to it, and then you just need to purchase a separate deadbolt to actually get the door locked up. As with all of our doors, this is solid steel pickets. Everything here is hand forged, hand bent. Nothing is machine made on any of our doors, which is going to guarantee you a custom door no matter which one you purchase. This one doesn't have a kick plate, so we have a full top to bottom glass, which allows a little bit more light into the home as opposed to having that upper kick plate. This one currently is spec'd out with a Aquatex glass. This is one of our distortion glasses, which offers quite a bit of privacy. The only thing you can get that's going to be more private than this is going to be our frost glass, which is going to give you a silhouette in the background. But if you can see, it might be hard to tell from this distance, but it is quite hard to see as I back up my hands. So again, might be a little bit hard to tell with this distance. You still get the arch in the glass and the arch on top. So that's a pretty cool effect there. All the weather seals are currently in here, and we'll show you that when we flip this guy around right now. The jamb, 1 inch here all around, and then again the threshold is completely built into the jamb, so it's not two pieces. Everything's in one piece when you get it, easy for install and everything. Let's flip this guy around and I will show you the other side. All right, we are now on the interior side of this Sunset single arch. Hinges. Like with all of our doors, you're going to get these grease fittings to make it very easy to grease the door hinges without having to take them off of the hinges. These are obviously pretty heavy doors. The glass is separately operable from the door itself. Let me show you how to do this. You just twist these two knobs, flip them over past the insert, and they open up like this. Makes cleaning a breeze, so you don't have to clean through the actual steel pickets of it. You can open it up and get a nice clean effect. All of our doors are going to have dual weather seals, which is going to be on the operable panel as well as on the portion that it closes, providing a nice seal for weather. Again, you're going to get that same steel handle, custom steel handle. This is again the river on the interior side as you are on the exterior, and this is where you'll get the egg-shaped knob for your bolt, or round shape depending on what type of door lock you purchase. Again, this is that full up and down, full length operable panel that gives you the most light you can get into the house. And then when you open this up, because this has this pull handle, as with all of our doors, we have these roller catches, which although you don't have an actual latch where the handle would be, this still is able to lock into place because of those roller catches, and it won't open up very easily. Now obviously when you're going to bed at night, you're going to want to put the deadbolt in there because someone can still push it open even though the roller catches are there, but the deadbolt's going to be the complete locking factor. So when you want to close this up, you're just going to put this back, twist it on clockwise, and you'll be locked up. We have high hopes for this one. It is new again. So if you want to go into our website and check this out, it's under the Sunset with hand grip, single arch. We make this in a double door as well and multiple different tops. You could change the glass type. Again, this is currently Aquatex with an arch top, or you could do a full arch top, you could do a flat top, and any one of our different glass options. We stock it in our oil rub bronze color as we do most of our doors, but again, with a custom order, you could change that and you could make it any color you want. I think that's going to wrap it up for our Sunset with hand grip single arch door. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the showcase of our Sunset single arch door. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can give us an email at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or shoot us a call at 1-844-843-6677. Thank you so much.